Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Tuesday, November 12th, 2024. Hope you're having a great day. Just thought I'd shoot a quick video while I drive over to the soap shop this morning and let you know that I have found my 3 solid opportunities that I'm going to be moving forward with into 2025. Okay, so I already knew that I had my 2 postcard opportunities just because they're so solid. And then recently I had a marketing friend of mine reach back out to me and tell me about a company that's been around for a little while, but they're compressing their matrix. And I guess the programmer said the only way that they could do that is by removing all the people that were inactive for all this, for however long. And so what they're doing is they're giving everyone a shot to come back in, everybody who's been inactive to come back in to rejoin, and then have their initial enrollment date be the date that they use to place you in this new matrix that they're doing. So I actually joined this company back in 2022, and the person that I joined under, a good marketing friend of mine who we were going to do big things with this company, he actually passed away unexpectedly. And once he passed away, it was just something that I didn't continue doing, simply because he was no longer with us, and it was something that I was going to be working with him on. So I lost interest in it, and I moved on to other things. But with that being said, they are letting us come back into this opportunity using your original enrollment date. So the person who I spoke with, who another marketing friend of mine who let me know about this information, I'm going to be working under him now because my sponsor obviously isn't here. So there's a lot of good things in the pipeline this company's doing. They're revamping everything, and it's just a really good opportunity that I'm going to be focused on more. And I'm waiting for some shipping supplies to come in, but once I get those in the mail, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing aside from mailing postcards, what I'm mailing out to get signups for all these opportunities. All right, and it's working. That's all I can tell you, is that it's working. So if you're looking for a way to supplement or replace your income right now, going into the holiday season, going into 2025, these are awesome opportunities, and I put them all under one link: joinruss.com. All right, joinruss.com. This will take you over to my Linktree page. You'll see all 3 opportunities that I'm promoting right now and will be going into 2025. And then you can connect with me on Facebook and YouTube as well. So I just wanted everyone to know that I'm going to be using joinruss.com, which I've owned that domain name for a long time now. And it's going over to all 3 opportunities, and that way you can go and check them out, see which ones resonate with you. If you only want to do one, just pick one that works for you. If you want to do all 3, that's great. Like I said, as soon as I get my shipping supplies in the mail, I'm going to be doing some tutorials on exactly what I send out, how I do this, aside from just shipping out the postcards. So these are just solid opportunities. I'm excited about going into the new year with these opportunities. And, the postcard opportunities are, one is a monthly membership opportunity. The other one is a one-time payment. And then the other program I'm promoting is a $10 a month program. It's not Live Good. So check it out, okay? And let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help you out, and I look forward to working with you. So I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.